Hi! In this video, we're exploring the cutting-edge technologies that unleash creativity in machines, turning code into art and algorithms into narratives. We'll cover the basics of generative AI, language models, diffusion models, text generation, image generation, and future directions. Let's begin with an introduction to generative AI. Generative AI unleashes creativity in machines, birthing art, text, and beyond. Imagine Picasso in code or Shakespeare in algorithms. It's not just about art, it powers recommendation systems, drug discovery, and more. For starters, understand generative adversarial networks, GNs, and variational autoencoders, VAEs, the artists behind the scenes. In the practical realm, dive into hands-on projects and analyze which generative model fits your task best. With this, we set the stage for your exciting journey into the world of generative AI. Next, we dive into the world of language models, LLMs. Language models are our digital wordsmiths, churning out human-like text. From answering questions to content generation, LLMs are game changers. In practice, grasp pre-training and fine-tuning. Explore GPT-3, GPT-4, and friends, finding their niches. Metrics guide you to measure LLM performance. Precision counts. Your foray into the universe of language models begins here, where you'll learn to harness the power of language to craft compelling narratives and enhance user experiences. Now, let's explore the fascinating mechanics of diffusion models. Diffusion models are like magic, they learn by imagining. Used for images, text, and more, they excel in diverse fields. Dive into the mechanics of diffusion models and uncover their practical applications. Training and fine-tuning techniques are your trusty allies. Watch out for challenges, they're part of the game. Be prepared to infuse your projects with a dash of magic, turning data into creative masterpieces. Moving forward, we'll look at text generation using LLMs. Text generation with LLMs is a superpower in your digital toolkit. Craft persuasive content, automate responses, and enhance chatbots. Learn when to finesse pre-trained models or start from scratch. Ethical considerations are crucial. Don't script misinformation. Your journey to becoming a text generation wizard begins now, empowering you to shape the future of written, communication, and content creation. Next, we uncover the art of image generation with LLMs and diffusion models. Pictures are worth 1,000 words, but LLMs and diffusion models can paint them all. Discover the art of image generation using LLMs and diffusion models. From generating art to enhancing photos, the possibilities are endless. Challenges are your canvas. Paint over them with creativity. Welcome to the world where pixels meet poetry and where you'll uncover the secrets of transforming ideas into visual masterpieces. Finally, we delve into advanced topics and future directions in generative AI. Stay on the cutting edge with advanced generative AI topics. Recent breakthroughs and trends will fuel your imagination. Dive deep into real-world cases to see how this technology shapes industries. But remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Ethics matter. Your journey doesn't end here. It evolves with the ever-changing landscape of generative AI shaping the future of innovation and ethical technology use. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this guide has provided you with valuable insights into the creative and practical applications of these powerful technologies. If you're eager to deepen your understanding and master these technologies, we invite you to join our AI Amplify program. Gain access to exclusive resources, expert-led courses, and a community dedicated to pushing the boundaries of AI. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights and updates. See you in the next video.